Why does your handwriting look messy? If you are facing this issue, so watch this video. Here are 4 secrets for you. Secret number 1: correct letter formation. Secret number 2: use the font you're using properly. Secret number 3: pay attention to letter to make yourself professional. Now secret number 4: maintain consistent angle and hold the cut marker properly. Beautiful Urdu writing is not just about using a good marker. The real secret is making each letter correctly. So the basic need of secret 1 is to know the proper use of cut marker. Let's see how small changes in letter shapes can make a difference in writing. Secret 2 is about using the Urdu font properly. Many people think that stretching letters will make their handwriting beautiful, but this is not true. Two or more fonts in writing the greatest and biggest mistake. The correct way is to master one font and implement it in writing. With correct choose a beautiful and elegant font, and structure your writing will look more elegant, professional, and attractive. Many people write quickly to focus only completing a sentence. Some letters become unclear and lose their beauty. Before moving to next one, when every letter receives proper attention, the entire words look more attractive. Here is secret 4 to prevent your writing from ruining. The secret is to maintain the consistent angle and the whole marker properly. The correct way to hold your marker gently between thumb and index finger, so the upper corner of a marker's cut is towards the index finger and the lower cut is towards the thumb.